I tell you guys, 3D printing is crazy. It just changes and affects everything. My bird died and I need to bury it. So what do you usually do? You just bury it in the ground, you bury it in like Tupperware or something. But when you have 3D printing in your life, you can make it a dignified coffin and give it a dignified burial right here in your own house. Really crazy. So here is a 3D printed coffin. I did it on the Bambu P1P. I'll leave the link in the description. And my bird will be in here where he can rest comfortably and dignified in peace.